Former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Lalita has expressed grief over the gunning down of 20 persons from Tamil Nadu by the Andhra police, and she has announced a 2 lakh rupee aid each to the next of kin. Now, the Tamil Nadu government has also announced a compensation of 3 lakh rupees each for families of the 20 people who were killed in the encounter with the security forces, with the police in Chittoor. Headlines today, Srisha Reddy now joins us with the latest. Srisha, this is politics over that encounter. What about investigations? Take us through the latest.
Well, that's right, Gaurav, because as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, people do see that there are two chief ministers for the state. One is the People's Chief Minister, one is the Chief Minister walked by the state cabinet. So now that Jayalalitha wanted to make a most out of this particular situation, now that the government has already announced 3 lakh rupees, now Jayalalitha is only trying to move her coins very cleverly. Now that though the government is popular, though the government is run by the AIDMK minister, but it only will come out, the O. Paneerselvam has given the solatium for people, or it's just the AIDMK government. So now it will come under Jayalalitha's name. So it's again to put in a larger perspective that Jayalalitha is looking into the details of what has been what has been happening in the state. So yes, on the investigations, there is no particular move by the state government. Rather, just they have sent a couple of letters to the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister asking for the details of this investigation process.
Okay. There were some people, especially civil rights activists and groups, who were thinking of approaching the court, seeking a judicial investigation. Any forward movement there?
Well, yes, as far as the Madras High Court is concerned, now they have said that the cremation cannot happen until Friday. So the family members have been alerting that there is some foul play. The Andhra Pradesh police have arrested all these people before they had shot them down. So yes, they would be looking into the details of this particular case. And in Andhra Pradesh, they have moved the High Court and also the NHRC. We do know that there's a notice that's been slapped against the Andhra Pradesh DGP and the Chief Secretary. So yes, there are a lot of unanswered questions right now with this entire thing taking into dramatic turn of events.
Keep tracking that story, Srisha. I will come back to you for more.